Oh my god, this is the last time I'm going to record this. I am getting so sick of this stuff. But what is going on, guys? It is Andrew or Legacy 13, and today I would just love to say, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by um the end of the year. I know I'm not trying to be over here like 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers, but it would just be nicely appreciated. But the map that we're on right now is Hazard County. So we are searching for a Ford Raptor lifted truck. Alrighty. It is all black and it should be at the guy's shop. So we will just go there real quickly. That's his house right over there, but I don't think it's gonna be there. We'll check if it's not gonna be here. Um, dang. This is a nice shop, but sadly it's not here. So I guess we'll just check his house. You know, get it over with. Speed is key. Alright, so this is his house. Oh, oh no. He's home, he's home, he's home. That's his tractor. That's his tractor. He is home, he is home. But there it is. Look at it. Let's go into drone to see. Alrighty. So that's his tractor, which he drives to work. That's his Raptor, and that is his house. It goes back here. I just saw him. I just saw him. I just saw him. I just saw him. Luckily, he's back there. So I'm thinking that if we be quick, we'll be able to just go back there. So I don't know what he's doing. If he's hunting or something, we'll figure it out later. Let's hope he doesn't come at me running at me with a shotgun. I will be so scared. Alright, back up. I've got really good at backing up. Oh my goodness, it's thundering. If he's hunting, he's gonna be on his way home. I can't do that. Let's hope I can just swap the vehicle. Swap vehicles, swap vehicles. Alrighty. The key is in it, yes. Get on the trailer. Attach the trailer. Oh crap. Oh no. Put this in high gear. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. I literally just heard him. Oh, I just heard a tractor start. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm pretty sure that he is probably going to grab his tractor and try and chase after us. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to hide in here. Oh shoot. I'll just hide right here, hide right here. Alright. I heard him go that way. I heard him. He's that way. So this is a really good vantage point. I hope my truck can take this. I'll put on all diff locks and low gear. Oh. Alright. We are out of sight, out of mind. Alrighty. The road's literally right over there. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, alright. Take that off. Okay, go, 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 go. Alright, 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 alright. Brake, brake, brake. Oh, I can feel the truck dragging. This is the road, this is the road. Alright. Alright, 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 we're out, we're out, we're out. We'll hide behind these rocks for good measures. Alright, guys, that was a bit scary. I literally heard him. He was screaming. I heard his tractor start. I heard a shotgun shot. That was insane. But that was a great video. Like I said in the beginning, please subscribe, like and subscribe. I would really enjoy it. And yeah, thank you for looking at my videos. Peace.